As global manufacturing faces rising costs and labor shortages, the collaborative robot Cobot Palletizer has become an essential tool for modern factories. Unlike traditional industrial robots that require large spaces and safety fences, cobots are designed to work safely alongside human operators. This technology is ideal for industries such as food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, electronics, and e-commerce logistics, where rapid deployment and space optimization are essential. The most immediate impact of the PM-CP20 is the dramatic reduction in manual labor. Manual palletizing is heavy, tiring work that often leads to back injuries and high staff turnover. By automating this end-of-line task, a factory can replace 2 to 3 shifts of manual lifting with a single, reliable system that works 24/7 without getting tired. This allows manufacturers to reassign staff to higher-value technical roles, effectively solving labor recruitment challenges while reducing long-term operational costs. The PM-CP20 features a generous 1,680 mm working arm span and is optimized for products weighing up to 20 kilograms including the gripper. It can stack about 10 cartons per minute with a maximum stacking height of 2,450 millimeters, with a repeat positioning accuracy of plus or minus 0.05 millimeters. It ensures every pallet is perfectly aligned, improving stability during transport. This system supports the simultaneous stacking of 2 different carton sizes and can manage dual pallet stations left and right at once. Despite handling pallet sizes up to 1,200 by 1,100 millimeters, the unit occupies a minimal footprint. Integrated laser radar technology allows it to operate without safety cages by slowing or stopping when humans are detected. Furthermore, the interface is so intuitive that an ordinary operator can master the system in under 20 minutes. Reliability is guaranteed by our premium supply chain. Controller, Advanced Robot Controller from KEBA Austria for surgical logic. Drives high-performance servo systems by Innovance, the market leader in China. Sensors, ultra-reliable photoelectric and detection switches from Panasonic, Japan. The PM-CP20 is the ultimate solution for manufacturers seeking to modernize their workforce through robust, user-friendly automation.